Because we have different side of it about success. What the people talk about success or think about success is different. It's maybe like the common people think about success. Success is you have everything that you want. Maybe you have a good wealth, a good health, and you have many wealth, and also you are a famous person in the world. In the world, I mean.
Keep going.
Yeah, but
Okay.
for many people like us, maybe we have our own faith that we obey with our religion, Yeah, because of it, we need to follow the rule of Islam. Maybe like we don't need like how to say that, have many wealth, and we don't need to be famous like the other people around the world, but we need to have a purify of our heart, so we have different side like that because we don't live in this world. Maybe we live in this world just a temporary moment, not long after. Yeah? So we don't need to chase. Maybe we don't